What's up guys, and welcome to the 6th tutorial of programming in C using Xcode. And in this tutorial it's all about the while loops. Without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, go here and now use int a or whatever, make that equal to a number, say 10, semicolon, and now we need to say while a, yes, the condition is less than 15. Now we can use a printf statement. The value of a is, then you can say %i, put down a new line, a semicolon. We mustn't forget to increment I++. You'll see in a minute why we have to increment. Okay. We can now execute this. The build has failed. Should be A, not I. Okay, the build succeeded. So the value of A is 10 all the way up to 14. If we do less than or equal to 15, we see what we get. The value of A is 10 all the way up to 15. Okay. Alright, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.